This is having. See, I just said that. Come on, bros. Bro. Oh. Could have just done that. Okay. But I want to go in style, you know? Come on! Back on! Hey girls, can I get a smoochie? Nope. Okay, you could just say no. Please. I wish I never had sports clips. Okay, bye. Back off. Girls love speed chasing. Bro. What's up, bro? Bro. Spinner. Ah. I'm ready to sports clips. Bye. Bro. Glitch, they're all going after them. Not me. Glitch, we got a glitch here. We got a glitch. Oh crap, Boomer exploded on you. Suck it! I'm a gangster. Back off, ladies. Please. Obviously. Bro, back off. Back off my neck. Nick? Did I just... Oh, I thought I was killing him, but okay. Teabag. Ready? Teabag. I think it would be much better if I just hold it. Yeah, I think that's much better. Bro, watch out. Don't get knocked over. Knock you out. Slap in the face. Suck it. What's up, bro? Let me try to make it a little bit better. Oh yeah, I think that's much better. Don't you guys think that? Leave in the comments if I should leave it right here. Oh, Hunter! That was boss. I killed her. Not coach. Dang it! Not again. What's up, boy? And that's how to not die. I did that on purpose. Wait. Dang it, I forgot to save the game! Oh, I forgot to save the game. Well. I hope did that.
They saw us all right. Hey, they're not coming back. Like it was heading to the mall across town.
Jump. Oh, I want something else. I'm getting. What's up, bro? What's up? I'm making a smiley face. Freaking boss her. Smiley face. And make some eyebrows. Wait, that's not happy. Unibrow. Unibrow. Unibrow, boy. Some blood. Yeah. Perfection. I'm gonna do my signature. Bro. I'm trying to make it see if you can't see. There you go. Crap. Maybe just do the C for a moment. Perfect C. Beauty. Second. Okay, now let's go back to normal mode. Much better. Okay, let's go. Where'd this go from? I'll be like, what's up, baby? What you say? Ready? 360 no scope.
I don't know who started this shit.
Crap, 360 no scope. 360 no scope. Peace. Bro, you wanna go? Bro, back off. Jeez. Bro, back off. You won't get knocked out? Bro, back off my lady. Peace. I'll knock you out, boy. Smile.
I don't know about you folks, but looking at that map,
Bro. You get shot in the head? Bro. Who was one again? Headshot. Suck it. Oh, there's nobody there. Suck it. I just broke a glass with my face. How boss is that? There's a boss, huh? Freaking boss. So, what are they planning? Green flu hits. A port shut down. Green flu? The heck? Oh, they have a little X. I'm making my own. Can I break this board? No. That's my favorite song that they're playing right now.
we got through.
Bro. I'll knock you out, bro. You won't get knocked out? Motherfucker. Bro. Crap, I'm gonna die. Somebody help. Jeez. Anybody? Yeah, that's what I thought. Nick, shoot you in the face if you don't, boy. You're my second favorite. Turn in the arm, boy. That's what you get.
We gotta get around this fire.
Oh, headshot. Bro. What's up, boy? You trying to hide from me? Suck it. Or an anus. Then I want to use those pills. Crap! Help! There's zombies there. That stupid zombie just fell. Oh snap! Nick was a ball. Oh. Oh crap!
Somebody's gotta kill that zombie spit kill.
There's a, oh crap! I was trying to do 360, but no.
Much obliged.
No, it's good. I was looking down. Yeah, much better. Hey girl, this is my girlfriend back here. Crap. This is my girl right here. Hey Felicia. Look at me. Bro. Oh, sorry. Look at me. I said look. Fine. And do you know what? What's wrong you? Bro, watch out. Crap. Keep on falling. Wait, I'm gonna try to do something. Crap! I keep on falling. Okay, ready? Whoosh! Crap. Bro, they can't pick me up. They can't get me. Bro, help. Bro. Crap, I'm gonna die. Oh, how did he get over here? Never mind. I survived. Crap, I need help again. Whee! I owe you one. Oh, sorry, I thought. Suck that. Crap, not again. Somebody can help, huh? Bro, you think you can knock me out? Oh, thank you. I'll use that on you. What is it? What happened to you, buddy? I killed you. I made a mark. Suck it. I don't give a truck. Machine pistol? Where? I won't get it. There's a machine pistol. Dang it. Oh, I thought that was a song. Oh, bro. Okay. I'm using them right now. Okay. Get machine pistol. What? Oh, crap. No. Where is the machine pistol? And where are we supposed to go? Just for fun. Oh crap, not again. What'd you call me, girl? What'd you say, Felicia? I think I gotta jump. Can I survive that fall? Ah, shit. Crap, I'm gonna die. That was a bad idea. Anybody help? Can anybody help? This is like the 15th time. If you guys want to see my health, wait, let me put that right here. Okay, my health is right there, 65. Wait, who died? Nick died? Nick, my favorite. Well, my second favorite. What's up, coach? Where's my Nick? Not again. Nick is my homie. And then it's coach. 360! Dang it. Look at my body, I'm so sexy. Okay, this is all I have for today. If you guys want a part 2, at least get like 1 or 2 likes, and bye.